How to change the battery of your Oculus controller. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the battery of your Oculus controller. So, let's say you have an Oculus and the battery of your controller is running out. Now, if you want to change the battery, what you'll have to do is simply take your Oculus controller, and as you can see, the bottom half of the controller is divided into three sections. So the first one is with the button, the second one is this right over here, and the third one is this section right over here. Now these are divided by these lines over here. Now if you rotate your controller and then look closely, you will see this type of icon right over here, which is pointing towards the bottom, meaning you will be able to open this portion by simply sliding it towards the down. So what you'll have to do is simply hold your controller and then slide it, and also press in this gap right over here. Now once you've done that, this part will open and it will reveal the battery of the controller. Now as you can see, I have a rechargeable battery over here with me. So simply take your battery out, and then if you have a new battery, simply swap that battery in and then close the lid over here. But since I have a rechargeable battery, I'll simply charge my battery using the rechargeable battery charger. And once the charge has been done, all you have to do is simply take your controller, take your battery, and just as this sign shows, you'll have to point this towards the bottom and then insert the battery. After that, take your lid and then simply slide it over here to close the lid. And just like that. So that is basically how you change the battery of your Oculus controller. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.